In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to create a pie chart in Excel with percentages. So first of all, ensure that you have added your values on both of these columns. Now to create a pie chart, we need to select our data from here, then go to the Insert tab. Under it, we'll see this little pie icon. We need to click on it, and now there are a couple of options for pie chart. You can go with this 2D pie, 3D pie, or even this donut pie. I'm just going with this simple 2D pie. And now that we have added our pie chart, you can see there are no labels available on my pie chart. So to add it, we need to click on this add icon here. Once we click on it, make sure to enable this data labels, and there you go, we have successfully added our data labels here. Alternatively, you can go to chart design. Under it, select this add chart elements, and now go to data labels, and from here you can add your data labels too. You can choose any other option to change the position of your labels. But as you know, pie chart generally shows percentages values, but in my case it is raw values. So to change it, we need to select our pie chart from here, then again go to chart design. Under it, select add chart element, again go to data labels, and this time we need to select this more data label options, and now it will show this panel on the right side. So we need to uncheck this value option and check mark these percentages. You can also have both at a time, but I don't want to have it. I just want to disable my values and show percentages. Now to customize this chart, we need to select our chart if you want to customize your whole chart. But if you want to customize your particular slice, then for that just select that particular slice from here, and then the slice will be selected, and now you can do any changes for your slice. And now on the right side panel, you can choose anything you want. So suppose if I want to change its color, then I can select solid color from here, then choose any color you want. So let's say I want to go with this green one, then I can select it from here. Now if you want to change the color of your labels, font or anything, then for that just select your label from here, then all of your labels will be selected. If you want to select a specific label, then just select that label like this, and then you can choose anything for your labels from this right panel. Now I want to customize my all labels, so for that I'll select all labels like this, and now go to text options from the right panel. Under it, we'll choose solid color, and then I want to add a white color for my labels so that it will visible properly. Now to increase their size, go to home tab while selecting your labels, and then tap on this A icon, and then you can increase the size of your labels like this. Now to rotate your pie chart, we need to select our whole pie chart like this. If you want to rotate a particular slice, then select that specific slice like this, but I want to select my whole chart, so I'll select it like this. Then go to the right side panel, and under it we can choose the angle of our slice, so I want to make it like this. So you can adjust everything according to your need. And now if you want to add a explosion on your pie chart, then for that select your pie chart first, then go to pie explosion here, and now if I increase it, you can see all of my slices are exploded. But if you just want to highlight one particular slice, then for that select that slice from here, then go to the right panel. Under it, increase the point explosion, so I just want to increase it like this, and then you can see only one slice has been highlighted here. Additionally, you can select your whole pie chart from here, then go to chart design, and you can choose any effect for your pie chart. You can choose any effect you want. You can also expand the list here. So this effect looks good, I want to select it. So for that just select it from here, and now you can see my pie chart is looking more good and more professional. So this was the complete process to create a pie chart with percentages. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.